What's up everyone, welcome back to the shop. Today we're going to be taking this little hammer that we forged out yesterday, testing it out and seeing how it goes. I got this little piece of 3/8 inch square bar. I'm going to try and make a hook with it. Alright, so I'm going to start off by forging a tip into the end of this bar. This is where we're going to make our little scroll. This takes a couple heats with this little hammer, unfortunately. Usually I can do this in one heat with my bigger hammer, but it's all good. Now we're going to draw this taper out a little bit, making that taper go back quite a ways. You can see it takes a little bit of time with this little hammer, unfortunately. So just cleaning this up a little bit, making it look good. Take your time with it if you're doing this. Put a little chamfer on the corners. I'm not really rounding it, but just kind of cleaning it up. I'm making my little scroll on the end of the bar. This will be at the very end of the hook. So we'll see how that goes here in a minute. Turn the bar around. I'll make a little decorative end, so it's not just a cut off bar on the end of the hook. So just cleaning that up a little bit, making it look good. I'm putting that little chamfer all the way up the bar. Now I'm going to start punching the holes for hanging this. This little hammer is, well, it's too small for punching holes. This took a little bit of time to do with this little fella. So you can see we got one hole done. We're going to do our second hole. All around, it's a pretty good hammer for a beginner. A little 1.5 pound. I usually forge with a 4-pound hammer, so this took a little bit of doing. A little different for me to use such a small hammer. Now I'm forming that hook. Just forming it over the horn. Making it look good. Just gonna do some brushing and then I'll put a little bit of oil on it and this hook will be all finished up. All around this hammer, it's good for some little things and not good for some other stuff. So I think if you're just a beginner, this size would be perfect for you. Learn hammer control, get used to using the hammer, all that. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe.